Introducing Vanguard, an 83-foot luxury yacht designed by Sunseeker in the UK and acquired by Sunburst Yacht Charters in 2019. The aft deck features a lavish dining area with seating for 8 and up front a spacious daybed. All seating areas were reupholstered in 2022. The sliding glass door on the aft deck creates an open indoor-outdoor space. Inside, the Versace-appointed salon exudes elegance. A flight of stairs leads to the spacious master stateroom, featuring a queen bed, walk-in closet, and a large bathroom with a double vanity and tub shower combination. A cozy breakfast nook sits just forward of the galley. Downstairs, the remaining 3 bedrooms include a child's bedroom with bunk beds, a VIP bedroom with a private bathroom, and the 3rd bedroom with twin beds and an attached full bathroom. Heading back outside and up the aft deck stairs is Vanguard's flybridge. More intimate than her sister ship, she still boasts a daybed, table and seating, wood bar and grill, and 2 chase lounges. All of this and more make the Vanguard yacht perfect for any occasion, from the intimate to the extravagant. For more information, be sure to check out our website or give us a call. We would love to help you out with your next booking.